Before I continue discussing the markets, please take this moment now with helping me and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click subscribe, click this bell, click all. This helps you receive a notification when I post my next videos. Next, click the thumbs up button every time you watch my videos. Okay, let's continue with the view of the markets. Welcome to another video of Winning Wall Street's Money. In this video, I'm going to discuss investing in cannabis, marijuana, stock sector industry. That's the key word, investing. Brief definition, a stock is an investment. When you purchase a company's stock, you are purchasing a small piece of that company called a share. Investors purchase stock in companies they think will go up in value. If that happens, the company's stock increase in value as well. So we're looking here at my watch list of cannabis marijuana stocks, and I have it from the highest price to the lowest price that closed last this week. 3 grids, daily, weekly, monthly. The weekly, each candle is a week for a 1-year period. The monthly, each candle is a month for the 5-year period. I selected 3 stocks on here, the highest price one, a mid-price one, and the lowest price one. Let me show you the fundamentals on discussing this. Just a brief overview of some financials. Stock, when I give the symbols, I'm going to give them phonetically. Sierra, Tango, Zulu. Financials, 2018. This column, total revenue, value. Value goes up, supposedly the stock price should go up. Total revenue, 2018, 7.5 million. 2019, 8,116,000. 2020, 8,300,000+. Okay. Statistics. Profitability. Profit margin, 13.45. Okay. Let's look at the chart for the 1 year. Record high. 1 year, each candle is 1 week. It's trending up, record high. That's a good price action. Good for long-term investors that bought it early this year. 5-year duration, not so good. That was the best trending year right here from that year, 2017 to 2018. Let's go on to the next. Charlie, Romeo, Bravo, Papa, financials, 2017, 2,440. Total revenue, 2018, it increased 4,822. Total revenue, 2019, it increased 36,144. Okay, it did increase. Let's look at the statistics. Profit margin, 0. Let's look at the stock. Charlie, Romeo, Bravo, Papa. 1 year, each candle's a week. Here's the high for the year. We're here trending down. Not a good investment if you held on to this all year long. What's the 5-year looking like? We are near record lows for the 5 years, and it has not been trending so well over these long-term past 5 years. Not a winner. Bad money management. Not a good investment. There are better. Let's go on to the next one. Hotel, Echo, Mike, Papa. Not showing any financials. It's locked up unless you're a member. Statistics. Profit margin, no good. Back to this one. Profit margin, no good. And Sierra, Tango, Zulu, profit margin, So now let's look at the stock chart of Hotel Echo Mike Papa. Remember, it's the lowest price one here as of close this past week. Hotel Echo Mike Papa, the weekly chart, all-time high there. We are near a record low for the year and trending down. What about the 5-year duration? Not so good. There's a high. We are near record lows for the past 5 years. Not a good investment for the long term nor short term. Short term, if you're investing for 1 year, 3 year, 5 year, versus 10 years, it is not doing good. Let's put this alphabetical order, A through Z, starting off the A section first. And we're looking at the weekly charts. Alpha Charlie Bravo, 1 year chart. There's a high for the year, and we're trending down. Not even considering to look at this, the higher duration. The higher duration would be from weekly to monthly. So the higher duration, the higher time frame is the monthly 5-year period. Look at that, near record lows. So when I say higher time frame, monthly, and then going down weekly, and the faster time frame be daily, and then anything below the daily, it will be intraday. Alpha Papa Hotel Alpha, excuse me, all-time high for the year was there. We are currently trending down, but it's done better than some of the other stocks I just showed you. 5 years, it's struggling, has not been a good investment for the past 5 years. Bravo, Lima, Oscar, Zulu, Foxtrot. For the year, here we are. All-time high was there. Took nearly the whole year to get almost close up there. That's not good. What about the 5 years? Not so good. Bravo, Uniform, Delta, Zulu. 1 year chart, there's the high for the year, and we were trending down. How about the 5 years? Not so good. Charlie, Alpha, November, 1 year chart. Here's the high for the year, and we're trending down. What's it look like for the 5-year investment? Very poor. Charlie, Bravo, Delta, Sierra. Here's the high for the year, and we're trending down. Charlie, Bravo, Whiskey, Tango, Foxtrot, the high for the year, trending down. Charlie, Golf, Charlie. Here we go for the high for the year, and it's already rolling over. Let's look for the 5-year. Not so well. It's struggling. We already did that one. Go on to the next. Charlie, Romeo, Oscar, November. Here's the high for the year, and it already sold off since its high. Let's look for the 5-year. Not so well. Charlie, Whiskey, Bravo, Hotel, Foxtrot. Here's the high for the year. Near the low of the year. Really bad. For the 5-year, yep, it hasn't been trading that long, but most of the duration is underwater. Not so good. Foxtrot, Alpha, Foxtrot, high for the year, mostly in the consolidation, not good for value. Let's look at the 5-year. Yeah, a lot of chop, not so good trending. This was the best trending years it had. Since then, it did a lot of whipsaw, not good for long-term investment. There's better performing. Let me just reinstate this. Good trade, good investment if you did this, and good investment if you rode out of it and looked for better ones. Investing your whole entire capital could be rotated any duration, weekly, monthly, yearly, every few years. So again, long-term investment does not mean you have to stay committed to any single investment product. Continue looking for growth. So again, those who bought this anytime during this period and then held on to it over and over again, that was not good money management. You're looking to make value and have income monthly, yearly. Yeah, did not happen so well after that period. Let's go on to the next. Money management, basic information. I discussed that further on my Patreon account. If you're not a member, consider joining. Golf, Romeo, November Hotel. For the year, all-time high there, already sold off, trending down. 5-year duration. Terrible. Golf, Romeo, Whiskey Golf, all-time high. Strong trend for the year. Very good trending. 5-year duration, all-time high. Very good trending. Good investment, whoever took this one. Golf, Whiskey, Papa, Romeo, Foxtrot, all-time high for the year. Overall, a lot of consolidation, not so well trending. 5-year, also not so well. Not a good chart. Already talked about hemp. Next one, Hotel, Echo, X-Ray, Oscar. Most of the year poor performing, and the last 2 weeks all-time high. Let's look at the 5-year. A lot of trending and reversal. Something considered to look at a little bit further for potential trade idea. Next one, India, November, Charlie, Yankee, trending lower, all-time high for the year. Already sold off, not so good. 5-year, not a good investment. Next one, India, Victor, India, Tango, Foxtrot, 1-year chart. There's an all-time high, and it's failed to do any good trending for most of the year. And for the 5 years, poor performing, negative. Mike, Golf, Whiskey, Foxtrot, 1-year chart. There's a high beginning of the year. Since then, it failed to go higher high. It's trending lower in consolidation, not good. 5-year chart, very poor, not trending. Mike, Sierra, Romeo, Tango, 1-year chart. Yeah, it's trending lower. Oops. Let's look at the weekly. Weekly, 1-year chart. Here's the all-time high for the year. Trended down, trended up. So short-term duration for swing trading may have been a good one. But buy and hold, the 5-year chart, not so good. Go to the next one. Oscar, Golf, India. All-time high for the year. Since then, trending down, bearish. Look at the 5-year. Poor performing. Or huge sell-off since early last year. Sorry, since early 2019. Next one. Papa, Oscar, Tango, November. 1-year chart. There's the high. Poor performing. It's been lower most of the year. Near record lows this year. The end of this year. And a 5-year chart. Bad performing. Sierra, November, Delta, Lima. Here's the high for the year. Here are the record lows almost for the year. 5-year duration, poor performing. Next one. Already did that one. That was a good one. Next one. Tango, Lima, Romeo, Yankee. There's the high for the year. Nowhere near their high, much closer to the low now. In consolidation phase. 5-year chart, poor performing. Next one, Tango, Romeo, Tango, Charlie. Here's a high for the year. There we are now. Next one, Tango, Romeo, Uniform, Lima. High for the year, but mostly consolidation. Let's look at the 5-year. Not so good. Victor, Foxtrot. There we go. High for the year. A little better. How's it look for the 5 years? Interesting. And the last one, X-Ray, Lima, Yankee. High for the year. Very good trending to the upside. And the 5 years. Super good investment. So takeaway here is majority of them have been poor performing. There are better sectors, industries to be in better for the past 5 years and for the year than this whole sector. But if you were in this industry sector, only a few of these were performing well. Most of them were underwater. If you like this market information I've shared and want to learn more with greater detail, step-by-step training, I have a Patreon page. I share trade ideas for earning monthly income. Below in the description box, click Show More. Scroll down. This link here, click on it. Take you here to my Patreon page. Select the membership and join. Then you have access to unlock my posts.